Another shop tip. Yeah, you need parallels on the milling table. Get some old bearings. Now these are pretty big. I'll do some smaller ones too. But you take the bearing, put it on edge. I have two of them there so that the clamp will hold, and then use the chop saw, cut them, cut the outer ring off by cutting it on the one side, roll it over, cut the other. That takes the center ring out and the bearings, and the races are pretty accurate, and they'll stand up on their own. You can also chop them in fourths or thirds, depending on how long you want. And they make nice parallels, stand up. And of course, you can use the center section, the round, here again as a as a spacer in your vise, or for clamping blocks, whatever, you name it, works great. All right, used some old flooring to help hold the smaller bearings in order. So there's a small one I just did, going to separate it up. So let's see what we ended up with. All right, we're back inside. Cleaned up all our mess outside. I got some of them sitting here. They need ground, but I was able to ground these, round them off so they're not sharp. And I got a few of them here, so now I have a couple. They're the same thickness, so you need to put something in the milling in the vise. You might be able to put it in there like that, set your work on top. Just put them in from the ends. You want to set something flat on the table, you can set across there. Of course, you can use bearings that are uncut too, and I've done that. They're standard thickness. Two of them, they work well for this too. But sometimes you just need to be able to get in somewhere. So yeah, these work real well. You got to think about, if you haven't made yourself a set, real easy. The bearings, any motor, these are big, as you can see, but they throw these away. Sometimes you can find these in the junkyard. You might have to pay a few bucks for them. But you go to a bearing place where they fix motors. Sometimes they'll just hand you a couple if you want them. I got a whole barrel of them out there I got for nothing years ago. So there you have it. Bearing parallels.